In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send elements to the back or bring them forward in Google Docs or Google Slides. Mastering this tool is essential if you're working on presentations or documents where visual arrangement is key, especially if you want certain elements to appear above or below others. Whether you're a student organizing a project or a professional needing a clean and polished presentation, this quick tutorial will help you manage your layers effectively. First, let's head over to Google Slides, which is where we'll demonstrate this process. If you're not already signed in, make sure to do so using your Google account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Google Slides homepage. Here you will have the option to start a new presentation by clicking on the blank presentation button, or you can choose from a variety of available templates if you prefer. Whichever route you choose, you'll be able to follow along with this tutorial. After you've opened or created your presentation, the next step involves inserting an image. Simply click on the Insert menu and choose Image to select the picture you'd like to work with. This could be from your own device, from a URL, or even from a built-in Google image search. Once your image is placed, click on it to select it. This selection is crucial as it allows us to manipulate the element in relation to others on the slide. With your image selected, look towards the top of your screen and find the menu option that says Arrange. Click on this option to reveal a drop-down menu. What you're looking for here is a sub-menu titled Order. Selecting Order will present you with two key options: Send to Back and Bring Forward. These commands do exactly what they say. Choosing Send to Back will move the selected image behind all other elements on the slide, while Bring Forward will bring it in front of other elements, one layer at a time. This feature is extremely useful when you have multiple layers of text, shapes, and pictures. It allows you to create depth and focus within your slides by adjusting which elements appear most prominently. You might use Send to Back if you're layering images and want one as a background, or Bring Forward to highlight the features you want to stand out most in your presentation. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to control the layout of your slides in Google Slides. This method helps not only in creating visually appealing presentations, but also in organizing your data in a reader-friendly manner. Keep practicing these steps and soon you'll become a pro at layering images and other elements in your presentations. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy to follow guides.